Hello and welcome to Willow Junction. Happy Wednesday morning. I'm going to be starting to do my train runs again, starting for today's video. And the rest of them will be Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, like I did in the past. And with that, let's get started. Well, folks, that'll do it for this episode of Willow Junction. If you liked my videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, please share my videos. That'd be greatly appreciated. But until next time, I thank you so much for watching. You guys all have a great day. Bye for now.